Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a beautiful impression. It is raining outside and it is really cold, so this should be fun. But I think if you are looking for something where the whole family can fit and it's absolutely stunning, at a great price, great quality, this might be an RV that you would probably fall in love with. So let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know, and we'll go from Alright guys, this is the 2025 Impression, model 315MB, MB being mid-bunk. It's got 3 slides over here. It is a tankless, on-demand water heater. It's so great. You've got a nice awning over here. Look how beautiful this unit is. I love the new design, the colors, absolutely stunning. Let's take a look in here. Very nice. Let's take a look in here. You've got a little griddle and a fridge. Love it. You can hook up your TV out here, make some steaks. Let's see, we've also got our backup camera prep, of course. Little ladder to the top. Makes life a little bit easier. Let's take a look inside. All right. Beautiful. I love the colors in here. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful big windows. All right. So, of course, over here we've got our table and chairs. They can be like, this can be dropped. You can put another couch or recliner in here. You've got a beautiful, comfy couch that turns into a bed, of course. Over here, you've got a little desk, so you can put a chair here, but it also has a little bit of storage right here, storage in here as well. You've got storage right up above. You got your beautiful kitchen with a beautiful island, a nice big sink and little goodies as well. A nice pantry right back here. You got a 3-burner, you got your microwave, oven, and then more storage. Same over here. Some drawers, storage. I love the accent they put all around here. Like, I love these little lights. I love this. It's so neat. And you got a nice size fridge. Of course, it's going to fit all your goods. Got your entertainment right here with a fireplace, some more storage, some speakers that you can take outside or wherever you'd like. And then you do have a hidden pantry back here. Let me pull this out. Nice and big. So plenty of storage in here. Love it. They've even added some area where you can hang up some coats right there. And then all of this space, like so much space here to just, walk around. I mean, you're not crowded. You're definitely not crowded in here. Right through here, we've got our mid-bunk. Okay, so you got your couch that turns into a bed, and it comes all the way out. You have a desk in here as well. You've got a bunk that lifts up. Over here, you've got storage, and I believe, let me see. Yeah. You got storage to hang up some clothes. I thought it was going to be a washer and dryer prep, but that is down the hall. But plenty of storage in here. So if you have somebody staying in here, whether it's kids, whether it's an adult, you have all of this room. I mean, it's nice and big. Plenty of space. You can hang up your TV right there as well. Or maybe you work from home. You have an office in here. So very nice. And this goes up and down, so I think Maybe not. No, I apologize, it does not. But it is nice to have a desk in here. Up this hall, we've got our loft. So more space for somebody, which is really nice. And it's nice and big, so 2 people could easily lay down right here. Some storage cubby over there. Little ladder. Then here we've got our bathroom, which is nice and big as well. Plenty of space right here. And there we go. Nice and big shower. And then a nice big mirror with some more storage right behind it. And then right down this hall, or right towards the end, we've got our nice big bedroom, which I love all the storage space that they have in here. Now, I hope that you can see it's pretty dark outside. Not dark, but it's not as light as it normally is. But you got a window in the back, which is something that I absolutely love, where if we're in the master bedroom, to have a window right, like a huge window right out at the back, or, you know, any windows, period, I just absolutely love. But you got lots of little cubbies and storage all the way around, plus more closet space right here. And then, of course, this is probably too dark for you to see, but more storage down there. Side tables. And then right here, you do have your washer and dryer prep as well. So lots of area. This is a VersaLift bed, so with a button you can lay it down, but you can keep it up and watch TV, which of course can be hung right there. So just a lot of space in here, but a lot of good space. So you got closet upon closet and storage and cubbies and all that fun stuff. So what do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Just let me know. I love to hear from you guys. I just kind of like to know what y'all think. But I absolutely, I love the impression. Always have. And I love how they kind of put everything together. So if you guys have any questions, call, text, email, come see me. But until next time, guys.